Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Orlando again with a installation of the Kilmat 50mm sound deadener. So in today's video, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step installation on how to do the back portion of your Tacoma. This is part 1. In the future, I'll be posting part 2 and so on, covering how to install it on the doors and eventually on the floorboard. So let's get started. All right, so before we get into the install, let's talk about the product, right? So this is the Kilmat, and the one that I got specifically is the 50mm. I ordered it directly from Amazon, and I want to talk about the benefits of it, right? So this is supposed to kill external noise coming into your cab, and at the same time, it's supposed to help with your internal audio, right? So it does cut out vibrations, road noise, improves audio quality. So step 1 is remove all of your plastic trimming so that you could get to the back of the cab. And so in order to take this off, there's 3 screws. They are 10 millimeter, one there, one here, one there. But in order to get this off without any problems, you have to take this back seat off. And so there's 2 screws holding this back seat. You just pop off these covers, and so there's a screw there and another screw right here. So once you unscrew those 2, we'll pull out the seat, the back of the seat, and then we're gonna pry this off, pop it off, and then we'll go with the next step. All right, so what I did here is I started cutting out the Kilmat into my different sections. And so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna start off with the top, and I'm gonna run the strip all the way across and make the necessary cuts to this strip so that it fits perfectly and it fits right into place. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is do the same thing for the lower half of the back of the cab, right? So I'm gonna make sure that I cut out the necessary cut so that everything fits into place. You know, so we have this plastic that I have to make a hole in the Kilmat so it fits perfectly. Same with this little latch, and same with these screws here, right, that I know are going to be used. So this is probably going to be a little bit more time consuming, but I mean, if you want something to be done right, you know, put the time in, and then you'll definitely get the quality that you're looking for. Alright, so as I go through this, I wanted to share a quick hack that will help you place the Kilmat around these latches. So what I did was, one, I cut out a good strip that would pretty much cover this, I want to call this ridge. And so you're going to go ahead and lay it up top, kind of start folding it into its place. And so once you get here, what you want to do is you want to cut for this latch, right? So you see that I made 2 slits right there and right there. And so when I go to fold this, that will stay there perfectly, right? So and then from here I'll pretty much just cut off this latch and then replace it so it fits perfectly right there. Okay, so as you guys can see, the install was complete. At this point, I'm just gonna finish and roll this off until all of these bubbles have been smushed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.